So, hi dear Leo. This is a you versus them current energy check-in for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising, and it's a timeless reading. Whenever you're going to watch it, it's applicable for you guys. And want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my tarot reading course. Links are given below in the description box for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love course too, and for personal readings and healing sessions too. So let's start. On your side, let's see what we have, Leo. We have the Knight of Swords, the Nine of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles. You're kind of hurt by something or someone. Your guards are really high, really up. Okay? And you're trying to not to face anything or anyone right now. You're trying to run away from some kind of emotions or from some kind of truth or some kind of reality. And you're keeping your guards up. Maybe you're blocking a lot of people and energies from reaching out to you, including the energy that you're attached to, and you're trying to figure out what you should or whom you should connect with to put in the effort and energy with, so that you can grow, so that you can have something in return, so that you can have something good in return when you are putting in the effort and energy in a certain direction, in a certain situation. So you're kind of trying to figure out a way to put in the effort and energy in the right direction with the right kind of mindset, and it should give you something in return. Otherwise you're kind of blocked. You're kind of in this energy of blocking each and everything that's coming forward towards you. You have a condition. If somebody is giving you something good in return, you are ready to open up. Otherwise you're like, nope, goodbye, see you later on, or something like that. So your energies are very tricky right now, where your guards are up, you are very hurt. That's why you don't want to deal with anything or anyone, but at the same time you want to open up to people, things, and situations that you know are going to give you something good in return. Maybe financially, maybe maybe emotional friendships or healing or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, 10 of Swords. You have gone through something shitty in the recent past, and that's why this is happening. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to. We have the 10 of Cups, the 9 of Cups, and the Death card. Wow. For some of you, this person is getting married to somebody else, or they are getting involved with somebody else, or they are like right now enjoying their time with their family, and they had this wish fulfillment, this desire to be with you and create a family kind of a dynamic between you and them. But something happened, and this desire of them to be with you for the long term is kind of done now. It's kind of gone now. They're like, nope, not right now. Current energies. We're just telling you. We're just reading the current energies. So they might be trying their best to find their happiness somewhere else, because they are not getting it from here, from this situation. So maybe they are already married or committed to somebody else for some of you, and or for others of you, this person might be trying their best to surround themselves with as much love as they can from everybody that they can get love from, so that they can be happy, so that they can get out of this energy of feeling kind of dead from inside emotionally. Wow. So the energy attached to you is no longer having this strong desire to be with you for the long term, because they know it's gone, it's done, it's never going to happen or something. We are just checking the current energies. Listen to me carefully. This is not a permanent energy and it's never going to change or something like that. Okay, let's see for the connection what we have, where this is heading, where this can go. We have the Page of Wands, the Ten of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles. Somebody have to initiate this energy of dropping this burdensome and heavy energies from the situation and sort it out with a mature, grounded, and humble kind of energy. Otherwise, this situation is going to be the same. Until unless somebody is going to wake up someday and have this desire, this passion to, sort it out with a mature and grounded kind of energy, and let go of all the heavy and burdensome kind of energies from the situation, it's not going anywhere. One of you have to take the initiative. Now, if you're going to be like, nah, why should I? I'm done. Yeah, they hurt me. I don't care. Then don't do that. But heal yourself properly then. Don't be blocked for everything and everyone around you, because not everything is going to be like there to hurt you. But anyways, this connection can only go forward if one of you is going to initiate the energy of let's heal it properly with mature and grounded kind of energy. Otherwise, it's going to be like this only. For you, the guidance here is, see, I'm telling you, deep rooted healing is required in order for you to move forward in your life with the kind of happiness and with the kind of self worth that you want in your life. You have to create that self worth and self love kind of energy. Until unless you are going to create it, it's never going to happen. It's not going to be like miraculously happening like with you someday. For that, you have to be vulnerable. For that, you have to open up your wounds and then heal them properly, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.